Today I share with you how to make a sauce that you can never get enough of. To begin, I'm going to be needing this chicken. Over here I have the chicken breast and then I have this chicken lap. All I do now is to get that debone. So guys, if you haven't shared this video, this is the right time to share this video because it's going to help you a lot. This is going to be the best and the easiest sauce you ever see or eat. After deboning everything, I'm going to get rid of this one. So what I do now is to debone the chicken lap. So while I'm adding the chicken lap, it's going to make the chicken to be more juicy. So try to add in the chicken lap. It's going to make your sauce to be more juicy than using only chicken breast. So after doing everything, so what I have, all I do now is to chop the chicken so that it will allow me to get blend with my food processor. I'll just cut all of it in just little variable size like this. So after doing everything, I'm going to transfer all of it inside a blending cup. Just transfer all of it inside this blending cup, then get that blend. I'm not going to add in water or any other thing, just blend only the chicken like this. I just cover and get that blend until it's nice and lovely to use. So after blending that, I'm going to turn that over inside this bowl. So this is just what I have after blending. It looks so nice. I'll keep that aside. On the same blender, guys, I'm going to be blending this pepper mix. Over here I have red pepper, then adding hot pepper, adding onions, and then adding this red pepper too, and cover that to blend. I did not add in water, just process that with food processor until I have something like this. So after doing that, I can just keep that aside. So at this point it's ready to use. On this pan, I'm going to be adding cooking oil, then adding the pepper mix inside the oil, then stir everything together, then season that with salt to taste, chicken seasoning, then curry powder, then adding this Maggi cube. That is not cube, I make use of two, and stir together. Stir that until it's going to get stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Don't add in water. I'm just going to stir fry that for 2 to 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, this is what I have. All I do now is to add in the chicken breast inside and stir together. I'm just going to be stirring the chicken. Don't add in water at this point. Just stir everything together until it's combined like this. So after doing that, I'm going to cover that for 10 minutes. 10 minutes of stir frying that. This is what I have. It's cooked so nice. Now I'm going to be adding this water, just a little bit of water. Then after adding the water, I'm going to be adding this carrot and green beans and stir that together. After adding this, guys, all I do now is to stir that together and then cover this to get cooked with the chicken for 10 minutes. So don't add any other thing, just cover that. 10 minutes later, this is what I have. It's cooked so nice at this point. What I'm going to do now is to add in this broccoli. Over here, I'm going to be adding broccoli, then stir that together. After stirring, guys, I'm going to be adding this corn flour. I make use of just 1 teaspoon of corn flour, then wet that with 1 cup of water. So after doing everything, I'm going to stir that together until I have the final cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Look at that, it's looking so nice. 6 minutes later, this is what I have. At this point, the sauce, everything cooks so amazing and it's ready to enjoy. This is just so simple, guys, so delicious. Over here, I'm going to get that enjoy with white rice, then serve the sauce and enjoy your breakfast. This is really just delicious, guys. Share this video and follow this process to make your amazing sauce at home. You are going to love this sauce if you follow this process because it's going to be the sauce you have ever seen or eat. In my next one, guys, bye.